Alright guys, so I just want to do this like second revision here. So I was working on this yesterday and basically the window was going up and down real slow. Couple things. One, motor not as good as the original. The original is a Siemens motor, which is right here. You know, this thing. This is the original from the factory, like the real deal. Of course, got a cheaper one, but here's one of the main things. You have to leave these somewhat loose a little bit. These have to be loose. I'll show you why, because if not, it gets bound up. See, watch what you probably can't tell, but this thing's bouncing around. Same thing over here as well. See how that movement? Now, if you don't have a like a no-lock like washer, has a little rubber grommet in it, just put a piece of caulk or put some caulk in the back of your nut here where your washer's at, you know, on the very back end. Put some caulk on it so this way when it seals it's not gonna like vibrate out, and it'll still give you this so it can still bounce around a little bit. Let's see. You really can't tell from the front end, but definitely the back end is the one that mainly does that bounce. Want that, because if not, you know what will happen is that it'll just get jammed up and it'll go real slow and then it'll burn out. So yeah, that's basically that. This works. Everything's working good here. Besides going up, it's a little bit slower than the original, but overall, and also my cut finger. I did this on shortened knees. You guys can see the video on that. I'll post it. Yeah, you have to be cautious. I mean, it could have been way worse than this. I probably need stitches. Not really sure, but you'll see the video on what I did to take care of that as well. But all right, guys, that's everything. Take care. Oh yeah, KSJ was something new today. Oh, a little late on that. Peace.